Alright, welcome back again. So last time I look at the scatter plot of the PCA, but this time we want to look at the same scatter plot, but this time around we want to use our own image, our custom image. For example, you have don't forget we have three categories of faces or images there: the Africa, the Asia, and the Europe, which is white. We want to use their faces as our scatter plot points, right? Or images. So what do we do now? Let's first copy this guy out first to our usual place past. All right. Let's copy it to past. So as usual, we paste here. All right. Paste. So we make this race our group. Then let's remove gender first. We don't want this one there. Then okay. So now here we're going to use the. But before we go, let's quickly go and do that. Go to this website. This website here, it's free, right? You can see it here. I'm trying to do one here. It's free. It's a red ketchup here. So you can do icon converter here. It's free. So you need to upgrade for now. So you can just select the image now. Let the image, I have the image here. Select the browse here. Right. So let's say Africa. I click here. So you can see me. You can crop the image if you want to crop the image. Maybe anything. If the background is not good enough, you can use a transparent background, but make sure that you uncheck all this to make this image very small. 16 by 16 is enough. It's more or less anyway to make your case. You have a lot of data points, a lot of observations or subjects. Then 16 by 16 is the best to make it very small in size, so it won't be too big. All right, so you scroll down and click on the download. All right, so try to download here. Okay, I click on download here. So it's downloaded. Okay, so you can do more. You can go ahead and do more of the same size. Okay, just click on escape, then click on back here. So browse another image here. Okay, for let's say browse another image for Asia. So we choose Asia. Scroll down. We choose this. We want to check all this. 116 images from download. So we download here. So we go back again. We do for European now. So that's another image. Browse. So I choose European. So let me choose this face. So I will check this again. Download here. Alright, so you can see we have downloaded the three images now. So now you can now come back here again now and select this. When you select this, everything select down. Alright, so this is our categorical variable. So we come to transform. Say here, you come for edit, edit. You click on row color. So under row color here, we're not going to choose color from here anymore. Okay, we choose color from here for symbol here. So before that, we browse here, image one. I've done one before, so black. I select black for the first one. Okay, Africa. For two, I select Asia. Then for three, I select European. Right, so I have three images. So that three images now in the symbol, you now select symbol here. You scroll down. Okay, here you see one here. Select image one. Scroll down here. Select image two. Scroll down here. Select image three. All right. Okay, so you can see that we have already loaded our image here already. So just I assign them here in the symbol column. So when you do close, all right. So now you can now select all now and go and you show your ordination here, scatter plot. Just click here. Alright, so we are more interested in the scatter plot, don't forget, not in the PCA. You can see the images now, faces. Can you see them? You can make it more bigger. Let me make it more bigger so that you can see properly. So maybe it's too small, you can come here and increase the size here to 4. Okay, close. You can see. Okay, if it's too small, so you can also increase size also to more to 5. But for 5 is too big for me. Okay, I want 4. 4 is okay. So you can make it more bigger, but because it's not good to be too big, so you can make it just 4. 4 is 4 is okay. All right, so you can see here. So you can change the PC1 to PC3 to see more clearly. You can see the black here. See the red here. I mean the Asia here, Africa here. You can see the European scatter everywhere here, scatter here and here. So this is how to use a scatter plot. I mean your own image, custom image for scatter plot in past. Alright. So pass add picture for that. Okay. So you can change the PCA the way you want. Alright. So you can increase the size, and when you're done, you can save. So you can do better than that as you proceed. So that's just how to use your own image scatter plot, which is more beautiful than other ones. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I will see you in the next class.